Listen, let both the families meet. Let's leave it on Ratul and Neepa. Let them decide when they would want to get married. It won't be wise to let go of a nice boy. Sulata, your mother-in-law doesn't always talk against you.
Well, so what should I do? Should I ask my parents to come in the evening? Actually, they will travel from Durgapur and reach Kolkata by today afternoon. Mom's online classes will be off today and tomorrow. The classes will resume from the day after. And dad also took a leave for a day. That's the reason for all this hurry.
Actually, he has spoken to his mom yesterday.
Yes.
That's why.
Hey, let them come. What's the problem? Can't we welcome our relatives? Besides, they aren't very far that they would need an invitation. Please ask them to come over. Sushma, what are you going to treat them to?
Grandfather, grandfather, should I bring hot kachoris for
No.
everyone?
Absolutely not. No kachoris will be allowed now. Save it for the evening.
Why? I want to have it now as well as in the evening. Listen, Mithai, bring 2 hot kachoris for everyone. Bring 3 for me.
Absolutely not. Mithai, do as I tell you to do.
Nanda,
Yes.
let's go now. We have to come back in the evening. Listen, Mom, now you have a huge responsibility. Your job is to train Nipa so that she can impress my mom. So you please keep this in mind, okay? After all, she's the principal of a school. She isn't as darling as you.
I'll slap you on your face. Don't you feel ashamed to crack jokes on your mother-in-law? Sulata, your fate is at least not like mine. Your son-in-law won't be like Rajiv.
I don't agree with you on this, Appa. Rajiv is a gem of a person. No one will disagree on this.
Indeed.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, guess what's going to happen? Rajiv's mom will start taking her exam as soon as she arrives.
She will fail miserably. Miss Nipa is an expert in one thing only. That is to take selfies.
Sandy, stop.
Oh, why are you starting
You
again?
just come here.
No.
Oh, no.
Thank you so much. You saved me.
You all are so joyful all the time. I simply love it. The Lord has brought me to the right place. Happiness is in the air all day long. One doesn't feel like leaving this place only.
Aarti is no more. How will you stay in this house? It is all my ill fate.
Grandmother, listen, I'll do everything that is required for the evening event. Don't worry at all. When Mitha is around, one doesn't need to worry about chores. You know that?
Mithai, are you cleaning here? Be careful. Ratul's mom is a picky person. She's the principal of a school after all. Make sure that there is no dust anywhere.
Don't worry at all, Ansulata. When Mitha is there, you don't need to worry about any chore.
Hey, careful.
It was almost falling.
Oh, what a disaster. Why are you so hyperactive? You were going to cause an accident at home before they arrived.
This is the biggest drawback of Mithai. Mother scolds me so much for this. Yet Mithai can't change her nature. But did you notice how I caught it before it fell on the ground? Since Lord helps me all
Lord
the
helps you,
time.
right?
You know I get saved at the last moment.
You are so talkative. Why are you talking so much? I forgot what I was to. Hey, Shri, tell me, why did we come here? Here, to keep this over here. Vase. Oh, we have to keep the vase here. We need to arrange flowers in it. Okay, we need to do something. Hey, listen, listen. can you bring some chrysanthemums
Yes.
from your garden? I
Yes,
wanted
what?
to make flower arrangements.
You need chrysanthemums from my garden to arrange in
Yes.
this vase. Don't even think about it. My chrysanthemums are going to the flower show.
What do you mean? I only need a few
No,
of them.
no,
I will not take no
no,
for an answer.
no,
Appa
no.
told me before she left. She told me that Ratul's parents have together made a beautiful garden at their Durgapur house. They love flowers. If they get to see those flowers over here, they will just love it. Hey Shri, keep it here and go to your uncle's garden and pluck some beautiful chrysanthemums and arrange them in
No
the vase.
way.
And yes, all of you listen very carefully. You have to say in the presence of Ratul's mom that the flowers are the results of Nipa's labor of
What?
love.
Oh wow, auntie. Does Nipa loves flowers?
See that? Started
And
again.
Sulata, you get very good saplings in Jonai. I'll bring it for her.
Okay. You're going to bring saplings of a flower plant from Junai for Nipa, isn't it? Did you
Yes.
ever ask Nipa if she ever held a grubber in her hand? She will bring saplings.
But Aunt Sulata said,
Aunt Sulata said.
Hmm.
Just watch what I do to your Aunt Sulata. Mom!
Hey,
Mom!
what happened? Why are you calling mom?
Mom!
Shri, please go to the garden, child, and bring the flowers. It's getting late. I'm going, but Aunt Sulata, why are you doing this? I mean, if Rajiv's mom asks anything to Nipa regarding flowers, she won't be able to say anything. What will
See,
happen
Mom.
then?
Why? What were you discussing about flowers? Why were you calling me Amresh? What happened?
Your younger daughter-in-law, she has gone completely mad. She wants to lie to Ratul's mom about Nipa's quality. Just imagine. See what's happening here. Now handle.
What?
Yes.
Sulata? I used to think that you're quite progressive. All this used to happen during our times. This lying business doesn't work nowadays. Why are you doing all this, Sulata?
Why shouldn't I do it, mom? Please tell me. Why shouldn't I do it? Appa herself has told me that Rajiv's mom wants an all-rounder wife for Ratul. In that case, shouldn't I do this for my daughter? Ratul is a brilliant guy. He settled abroad. My daughter will also settle abroad and live a good life. At least, she won't have to slog so hard like me.
Auntie,
Hmm?
don't people have to work hard when they go to abroad?
Yes. Mithai. Now you have asked the correct question from Sulata. Come on, answer Mithai.
Yes, I
Come
will.
on.
Of course, I
Yeah.
will. You know what, Mithai? In foreign countries, people have many gadgets at their fingertips, and that's why people don't have to do things manually. And there, people don't eat fish, lentil, and rice meal.
Why? Ratul loves Indian cuisine.
Mom, irrespective of what Ratu loves to eat, I just want this marriage to happen. That's why, in order to get this marriage fixed, if I have to tell some lies, then I'm okay with it. Sushmita is a principal herself. I'm sure she knows that a couple of white lies are permissible while fixing a marriage, right? Hey, Shri. Yes. Shri, don't delay anymore.
Yeah.
Go and bring the chrysanthemums from your... No, I mean, it's okay if it's not the chrysanthemums. You can bring any nice flower, colorful. Go get them.
Okay, auntie.
And Mithai, have you made the filling for the kachoris?
Yes, Aunt, I made that in the morning. I made some Indian sweets too. Grandfather had brought pure molasses. But Aunt, what kind of cooking gadgets are available abroad?
Over there, they have these cooking gadgets. You won't understand. Come to the kitchen.
Yes, you are right. I don't need to go abroad now. Let me open my shop first.
Sushma! Hey, Sushma! Tell me, have you checked all the food items by yourself? Listen, Ratul's dad, Animesh, is a foodie.
Yes, of course. You don't need to worry about all that. Listen, Ammu,
Yes.
where is Sandy?
Oh, Mom. Your darling Sulata, she has deployed him at the entrance of the neighborhood. He's holding a gun at the entrance. You know why? Because he can rush back home and inform us about their arrival.
Beware! 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 You are here by... I can't remember the rest of it. But the point is, the car of the honorable guests has entered Raj Bihari.
Oh my! Have they already arrived? Dad, they have arrived. Why are you standing here? Go and escort them here.
Let's go,
Come.
let's go.
Let's go. Come.
What will I do now? Shri, go and see if Nipa is ready or not. Help her
Yes,
get
yes.
ready and bring her
Yes,
down.
yes, sure,
What
I'll
should
get
I
her
do?
down.
Should the cushions be kept like this?
Sulata, slowly, calm down.
Mother, father, look who have come.
Oh, Aunt, how are you?
It's okay, child.
Uncle, are you all right?
Yes. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm good.
Take care.
We came here after a long time. You've decorated the house very well.
Shri, it's all done by her. She loves to do up the house.
Nipa! Nipa is the one who loves to decorate the house. You may call it her hobby. She's so organized, you won't even find a speck of dust anywhere. Why are you standing here? Come, let me give you a tour of the house. Come.
Why are you all standing? Come on, let's sit down.
Oh,
Hey,
yes, yes.
Come
Come,
here.
come.
Sit.
Brother,
Hmm?
I think your would-be mother-in-law is going to ruin it all.
Rajiv, stop it. What are you doing? What happened? Rajiv Ratul, come and sit with us. Why are you two standing there?
Yes, sir. Go sit.
I think your mom is learning some tips for decorating the house. I don't think she'll come here anytime soon. You know what, Mr. Bratin? Rajiv's mom has a hobby, very deep hobby. Every week she shifts the position of her huge wardrobe. I just feel renouncing my family because of that.
Then I think you should listen to my ordeal. At least you don't wake up in the morning to see a broom in your wife's hand.
Rajiv, your father-in-law has been talking for a long time. I can hear it all. But you aren't protesting at all. Now onwards, I'm not cooking anything for you.
Dad, this is very bad. Very bad. To date, I have never seen a broom in Mom Darling's hand. But I have mostly seen her holding a spatula.
I will give you one tight slap. I'm really going to beat up your son. I'm telling you.
Of course, beat him up to your heart's content. Despite being a teacher myself, I couldn't raise him right. But Ratul isn't a flippant like Rajiv.
Right.
Aunt Sulata, I can't see Nipa. Even Shri is also not there. Are they in their room?
Yes, I forcefully sent her upstairs just a while ago. All this while, she was arranging everything herself. She wanted to make potato curry. Wow. I can see that Nipa has grown up to be an all-rounder. Earlier, she wasn't so efficient in all the matters of chores, but it's good to learn. Yes, Sushmita, you are absolutely right. My daughter, actually, she's very fond of all this. And when she heard that you guys are coming from so far, then she herself said that she will make spicy potato curry for you all. Look over there. She has boiled the potatoes, peeled them, and kept them ready.
Hey Shri, what is mom blabbering about? Boiled potatoes, peel them. When did I peel boiled potatoes?
Quiet. Aunt Sulata will say many such things now. Just listen quietly.
Here comes Nipa. Come.
Oh, let it be. You don't have to seek my blessings. I'm blessing you anyway. I got to know that you have made preparations to cook for us, Sulata said. Didn't you do all that? You boiled the potatoes and peeled them and kept everything ready to cook potato curry. That's what I was telling her. Come, Sushmita. Let's sit over here. Uh, yes, but I don't want to miss the potato curry made by her. I really feel like tasting it. Go, my child. Make the spicy potato curry for us, okay? And make it very delicious. We won't disturb you. Aparajita,
Yes?
let's go and sit there. Let's hand over the kitchen to Nipa, shall we?
Yes.
Actually, it's quite disturbing to have people around when someone is engrossed in cooking. None of us will disturb you. Go ahead. Hey, please vacate the kitchen for her. Come with me. Come.
What are you saying? Let it be today. She can cook for you some other day, right?
Oh my, why not today, Aparajita? She has made all the preparations to cook the spicy potato curry. I'm already feeling hungry. And how long will it take to make the potato curry? It will hardly take 20 to 30 minutes. Make some nice potato curry for us, okay? You aren't saying anything now. You said since we are going to Nanda's grandpa's place, we should keep our stomachs empty. Now you aren't saying
Yes,
anything.
I told you, Shushmita. But why does Nipa have to cook?
Mom, please, just don't start taking her exam right on arrival. Why does she have to cook today? Can't you resist from behaving like a principal always?
Oof. Why do you think this is an exam, Aparajita? Did you hear what your son-in-law said?
Yes.
This isn't any exam. She knows how to cook. Isn't she a great cook?
Yes, of course. She is. I mean, yes. Nipa, make some nice potato curry for everyone.
Yes. Hey, did you hear that? She knows everything. Let's sit over here.
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
Rajiv,
Yes,
come.
yes.
You to Nanda.
Come, please come.
Sure.
Have a seat. Please sit. Yes.
What will happen now?
What else can happen? Your mom has failed miserably. Nanda had repeatedly
so
asked her
silly.
to train everyone.
Talk
She
so
couldn't
silly.
train anyone. Now, you see what's happening. You know what, Nipa? Go to the kitchen quickly. Mom won't let you get away with it. Come, let's go from here, or else she will say that we helped her. Come, let's go.
Leave.
Look, she ruined it all. Nipa has never entered the kitchen before.
What? What will happen now?
Why did you have to brag so much? What will I do now?
So sorry.
Nipa, please don't cry. Go to the kitchen. Everything will be okay. Don't worry at all.
Aparajita,
Yes?
why are you standing there? Come and join us. Come.
Yes, sure. Coming. Listen, Sulata, let us leave or else she will come here again. Lakshmi's mom, you have no work in the kitchen now. You can also leave the kitchen. Have a seat. Sit.
Nipa, go to the kitchen, my sister. I will try to do something. Go now. Go now. We will manage something.
I'm here to help you. Listen, Sri, listen. Sit with them and engage them in conversation. And that window over there, I'll stand outside the window and instruct Nipa. Don't worry at all. Nipa will pass today with flying colors.
Be
Sure.
careful, okay?
Shri,
Yes.
come here. Mom is calling you.
Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming.
What? What are you doing here?
My darling grandson is here. Come here. Siddharth. Look who has come to meet us.
Hey, Siddharth, how are you doing?
I'm good, uncle. I'll freshen up and join you all.
Hmm.
Excuse me.
Listen, there's a news. Uh, uh, we are having a talk to marry off Nipa to Ratul. You are the eldest son of this family. You should be present here. Go change and come downstairs.
Ratul, you're always going through a test. Why would Nipa get trapped alone? Just look at Sid's eyes. Marriage. Nipa's marriage. Why, Grandpa? Why would she get married all of a sudden? Have you all gone mad or what? Anyway, that's none of my business. I shouldn't say anything regarding this.
What the heck? What kind of a problem is this? How will I cook spicy potatoes? I have never entered the kitchen before.
As you sow, so you reap. That's why I asked you not to overdo anything. Now Nipa is the one who is suffering.
Mom, what's the point of saying all this now? Whatever had to happen has already happened. Now I'm really worried about Nipa.
Don't be so worried, Aunt Appa. Mithai is helping her. She said that she will instruct Nipa from outside the window.
Mithai?
Shh, quiet. Nanda? Where are you going?
No. I'm not going anywhere. I'm very much here.
Ratul, don't laugh so much. I don't think Nipa will accept such a mother-in-law. Your luck doesn't seem to be good.
Lord knows what is going to happen in the kitchen. Nipa's beautiful manicured hands. Oh my, poor girl.